Hey, to manage overlay button shortcuts in NVIDIA app, all you have to do is just to click on this icon when you are on the home, click on this icon next to the send feedback, and go into the settings icon. Now, as you can see, we've got shortcut controls, and from here we can adjust the general options, monitor statistics, record, capture. Let's say that I want to change, for example, the save a screenshot. So as default, when I click on my keyboard Alt and F1, as you can see, the screenshot was taken. But for example, I want to take it by using Alt and F5. So I have to click on it, then click Alt and click on the F5 button. And as you can see now, when I click Alt and F5 button, the screenshot will be also taken. So that's how you can do this. That's how you can change your shortcuts. Simply select your shortcut and then use buttons combination. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.